How to post video on Facebook in iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged in into the specific account from which you want to post. Once you're inside the page, you need to head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, you simply have to click on this gallery icon right over here. It will open up a gallery. Click on continue and tap on allow full access. Once you're inside the gallery, choose any of the video that you'd want to upload on Facebook. Once you've selected, tap on next. First of all, it will upload the video right over here where you can edit all of these. At the right side, you can see all of these features where you can edit. You can reduce the noise, or if you want to add text, then simply click on text right over here. Enter any of the text that you want to add to the video. Once done, now you can place this text anywhere on the screen. You can also add caption, stickers, and many more. Once you're ready to upload the video, tap on next at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can enter any of the captions right over here and click on done. Click on friends at the bottom left corner. You can choose audience according to your need. Once done, tap on post and then click on not now. Wait for a while for the video to be uploaded. Let me refresh the page. And there you go, the video has been uploaded to Facebook. So this is simply how you can post videos on Facebook in iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.